Hello everybody. In this video I will share with you how to create a solid 3D object that can be exported to be used on a 3D printer. I have a cylindric shape in mind, so I will start quickly draw a top view for that shape. This is the base and there is a smaller cylinder which is form the second part, the second top part of the object, and there is a hole in the middle, and there are four small fixing holes on the sides of this item or object. Now this is the first hole, we move to second, third and fourth. That's of course just approximate shape. A normal shape should be to specific numbers. I will divide it into two parts. That will make it easier for me to draw a 3D object and when I do the extrusion. This is the two parts that we're gonna create the solid 3D parts from. To move to the second step and start extruding the surface, we need to change these lines into a surface, because if you extrude these lines it will form a surface, and if you want it to be a solid for 3D printers you're gonna have to extrude a surface. You can change the line into a surface by choosing the line, modify, mesh editing, convert to smooth surface. When the surface has this shape on it, that means it's became a surface. And now we choose the smaller ones, and we convert them the surface again. The same method, modify, mesh editing, convert to smooth surface. Now we need to subtract these smaller surfaces from the main one. We go to modify, solid editing, subtract, and now we choose the first main object that we need to subtract from, and we click enter, and then we choose the one that we need to take out, and then we press enter. And this way we will have the surface that when we extrude exactly will give us exactly what we need. We do the same with the second part, choose, modify, mesh editing, convert to smooth surface, again choose the second one, modify, mesh editing, smooth surface, to subtract, solid editing, subtract, choose, enter, choose the second one, then enter, and it's happened. Now these lines are circles so it's really easy to convert to a surface. But what if you had a surface that you draw from different lines? Just need to close it. Now this is a little bit tricky, because even if you blocked and combined all these lines, it's not going to be the same. For you to be able to convert, first of all, these lines to a line similar to a circle line, you're going to have to use the order region. You're going to have to convert these lines to a region. You just type in region, click enter, and then choose the lines that you want. And you click enter, and when you choose one, as you can see, it's all one surface, one line, modify, mesh editing, convert to smooth surface, and here you go. If you did not change it to a region, I don't think you can convert it to a surface. So if we choose these lines, modify, mesh editing, convert to smooth surface, it don't happen. We go back to our shape drawing. Now the second step from here is really easy. Now to create the 3D solid object, we need to change the tools to modeling so we can get the extrusion option, and then so we just be able to see the 3D shape. We change the view, we choose the surface, and we click extrude. We choose the height, we choose the second object, extrude, and again. Now we move them together, right click, move, now we choose these two parts, modify, solid editing, union. And as you can see, the item is one object. Now view, style visualize, realistic, and this is the 3D object. Now in order to prepare it in a 3D printer file, export the object as STL, and here you have it. Thanks for watching.